Dancing snowflakes whirl and twirl about, turning the whole world white. My grandma and I put nuts and seeds out for our winter friends. If I am very still, the chickadee will land with little feet to take a seed. As he flies away, he calls out, "A chickadee, thank you." Here come our winter rainbows, red cardinals and blue jays. That's right. Woodpeckers, large and small, love the sweet soup. My little brother calls them the woodknockers. The chatty squirrel wants all the nuts. He has to learn to share. My favorite bird, the chickadee, lands on my hat and makes me smile. It's a happy bird day.